Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to check X monetization eligibility, and that is your Twitter account. If you are eligible to monetize your Twitter account, let's check the eligibility. The first step is you're going to open your Twitter account. Let's wait for the Twitter to open. Once you open your Twitter account, the next thing you need to do is you're going to click on this your profile gear icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see monetization here. Just click on the monetization. The next step you're going to see is you're going to check if you're eligible. If you're eligible, Twitter is going to give you a message that you are eligible to monetize your Twitter account. So there are some criteria. So let's check the eligibility. You can see now the first step is you have to be a premium creator on mobile and on your X. You can see you have to make a better content. You have to be in the fan base. So you have to do all this to be able to monetize your Twitter account. So once you're able to do all this, then you are what? You are free to monetize your Twitter account and you are ready to earn on Twitter. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.